Hello and welcome back to BIM Squared. Today we want to show you a little hack when using the command bar in Autodesk Revit. When we take a look, you'll notice that the commands are arranged in groups regarding their functionality. It's obvious that developers put some thought into the order of arrangement. For instance, we decided to organize the BIMterform commands with a decrease in automation from left to right, as this is the order you would use the commands when working on a project. But sometimes this might not always be the best solution for you. Maybe you have a small screen where the full menu bar cannot be displayed, but you are currently placing single formwork parts, so you are frequently using the command group manual. What you can do to make it easier to choose the commands is reorganize the arrangement by simply dragging and dropping the command groups to a different place in order. This could be helpful when using certain commands more often than others to ensure a better and smoother workflow. Unfortunately, these changes cannot be saved. Once you've created your custom command arrangement, Revit must stay open. If you close it and open it again, the commands are back in the default order. Did you know about this hack? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website and contact us to get a 14 days free trial of BIMterform.